Hey guys, today we're making up these ever so quick and easy breakfast quesadillas, so cook along with me and let's get started. So what you want to do first is crack a couple of eggs into a bowl, followed by a chopped green onion. Now I'm just using the green part here because I find they look prettier and they actually taste better. Some chopped bell pepper. I'm using the red because they taste a whole lot sweeter, but you can use whatever you like. About half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I just can't live without ground black pepper. And last but not least, a hit of garlic powder just to keep those vampires away. Grab up my whisk and mix until everything is well combined here. Next up, what you want to do is get a good knob of butter, about a tablespoon. Place it into a pan over medium-low heat and we'll just kind of let this melt down. In with our egg mixture. Spread this out a little bit so it's nice and even, and we'll just let this cook until it begins to set. Once the egg has begun to set, get your tortilla and lay it over the top and just press down a little bit. And this is the really cool part here, guys, because the tortilla begins to marry with the egg and they become one. It sticks together. Then what we do is simply give this a flip over. Grate some cheddar cheese over the top. I'm using old, but you can use whatever you like. Some crumbled up sausage that I made up yesterday, and you can use your favorite sausage, so over top of that cheese. And of course you're going to ever so gently fold one end over the other, and just press down a little bit here. Give it a flip over so everything cooks nice and evenly. Onto a plate, and there you have it, my friends, our first breakfast quesadilla. But don't go away yet because we're not done. But I do have to admit, this looks simply stunning and it's going to be ever so good. Now we are making up a second quesadilla, so butter once again into the pan. And of course this butter is just screaming out, "I'm having a meltdown!" And again with the same egg mixture, well, without the bell pepper. Same process as last time, let it set a bit. Tortilla over the top and press down for that marriage made in heaven. Of course the old flipperoonie. But this time, my friends, we are adding some ham. And it doesn't have to be ham, you can add whatever you like. I'm just a hammy guy. A couple of pieces of processed cheese, it works as good as anything. A couple of slices of tomato or tomato. And last but not least, some spinach. Same drill as before here, flip one end towards the other. Back over to the other side. And there you have it, my friends, our second simple and easy breakfast quesadilla. And just look at this, guys. Doesn't it look incredible? Oh, I want to dig in right now, and life does not get any better. This is so simple, easy, and delicious. Okay, let's give this a taste. So good. The ultimate breakfast sandwich. You have to make this, guys.